everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it's that time again. I got my PLANNERENVY subscription box in the mail. Actually the other day, however, because it came through the mail, I have to let it sit and marinate in a little bit of Lysol. So now I feel like it's safe for me to actually open up. So I believe this is the June 2020 box. Since it's May already, so let's just get started with opening it up. I have a few packages I need to unbox today, so I'll probably be doing a couple of unboxing videos. But this one I can't wait to open up because this is one of my favorite subscriptions. Okay, so once again we have the paper, which I'm going to put in the trash because it's just, yeah. Okay, so this is it. The first thing I see looks like the theme is lemons. I haven't paid too much attention to people's Instagrams as of yet, or even PLANNERENVY's Instagram, because with the state of affairs, I just, you know, whatever I get is what I get. But so far I'm liking what I see. The first thing I see is the paper clip thingy. It says easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's cute. I actually like this a lot. And then you'll see the lemon paper clips, like little lemons. Then it looks like she gave us cleaning daily tasks. And I think this is cute. And let's actually open this up. Let me put this to the side. Let's see. And normally I don't open these up. I leave them sealed, but I actually want to see what this says. So it's not sticky, but basically it's a cleaning task list. And you have your daily tasks, and then the things that you want to put down the bottom to go weekly. And then sanitizing, which is your planner cover, cell phone, credit card keys, doorknobs, light switches, countertops, TV remote, sink handles, and steering wheel. I think this is awesome, and I think that I'm going to make myself a sticker for this to remind myself to sanitize this stuff every day. When I get home from work, I do put my phone, my card, if I use my card, and my keys, and my headphones inside of my phone soap that has UVC light, which sanitizes that. My planner cover, I have not technically sanitized it, but at work I wipe the table down with Lysol and Clorox wipes before I take my stuff out of my bag and put it on the table. But that's a good thought. I do need to sanitize my planner cover. And that's a good question. Where is my planner? That's a real good question. Let's see. I see my old planner. Huh. Let's take a look. Okay, so I think I'm going to try to make this into a sticker. And then I just threw my phone on the floor, y'all. Craziness. Okay, let's put the phone up there so I can stop throwing on the floor. So I do like this a lot. I do wish it was sticky. I wish it was a big sticky note. But I'm okay. I can deal because I can remake this into a sticker for myself. Love that. I'm going to work on that today. So, and I love this most themes of lemons. I think that's really pretty. So let's get into the nitty gritty of things. Thank you. I just got my planner. So let me just take it out very quickly and open up to a page that's not done yet. Okay. I used the Erin Condren planner. So let's see. It looks like it can fit in like one of the boxes, or even make it so it'll fit right here in. I do like that. I think I'll make myself a sticker. And I love this for the house. I'm definitely going to utilize that. I love it. Okay, so Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Looks like it's the theme. And then we have some yellow flowers. And then some more fun at home. This feels like a mini kit. These feel like full kits. So let's start with this one first, okay? Okay, so some more at home. Full boxes. Functional headers. Appointment mini checkoffs. I think this is cute. I don't know if I like this background though. It makes it look a little washed out, but I'm okay with that. And then just the second checkoff, blah blah blah. So I need to find some washi to go with this once again. That's the only thing I don't like about this particular subscription, is that she gives us a mini kit too, and I hate looking for washi for my mini kits. So a lot of times I haven't utilized the mini kits as of yet because I don't have any washi that will go good with it. So that's the mini kit. Next is the Floral Kit. It's yellow and gray, which is a good thing. They sell a lot of items that are yellow and gray, like in Target, TJ Maxx, and stuff. Let's see. Okay. So it's the same format as always. Full boxes, functional headers, mini checkoffs, more checkoffs, quarter boxes, half boxes, trackers, payday, bill pay. So you know her format. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know her format. If you haven't, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you and I love you. Like I said, I do my channel for fun for now. So, oh, the washi is actually pretty. It looks a little faded to me. For some reason, this kit looks a little faded. Maybe it's because it's the watercolor. Maybe because it's the watercolor flowers. But it looks really faded to me. The weekend banner. See if you can see that the light is just really bright. Let me see if I can turn the light. Okay. So weekend banner. Washi, full boxes. Half boxes. These look like large flags. Small flags. These big boxes. Actually, I don't really like these, but I tend to use them every now and then. More full boxes. More half boxes. Excuse me, I have not been feeling well lately. My tummy has been giving me the blues. Okay, and then the final full kit. And this is actually my favorite so far. The other two seem a little washed out, a little dull. And her kits normally never seem like that. But for some reason these do, and I don't know why. So, lemon easy. Okay, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Woo. Okay, functional headers, full boxes, mini checkoffs, appointments, checkoffs, half boxes, well, functional half boxes, appointments, and don't forget trackers, washi, which I think is adorable, make lemonade out of lemons, the weekend banner. I like this washi a lot. Okay, so maybe it's her printer, because this looks a little, it doesn't look as vibrant as, or as seamless as it normally does. So I don't know. And then more full boxes. And then these things that I don't use. So that's that. Okay. And then let's put this back in the box. Well, back in the package. And you all know I take the time to put it in the individual packages because I don't like my things to get messed up. And I keep them all in here until it's time to use them. So let's zoom out. Don't want to zoom too much. I don't want you to see my belly. So we have 1, 2, 3. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We'll put this one on top. Three kits. So full size mini kit. Some cutesy paper clips, and this I actually love. I actually do like this a lot. And this is, oh, I forgot this. Y'all, why didn't you remind me? So, this is the June 2020 Planner Envy subscription box. Just line it up properly. Okay. So this is it. June 2020 Planner Envy subscription box. So leave your comments below. Tell me how you like the kit. What do you like about it? What you don't like about it. Leave a comment. Subscribe if you're a new viewer. I will appreciate you subscribing so I can get my view count up. My goal is to get to at least 1,000 subscribers by this time next year. If I make it there, great. If I don't, great. At least I'm trying. Like I said, my channel is mainly for my fun. I enjoy doing this. This is just something that I used to do a long time ago. And I stopped doing it because of my career. And I just got back into it because it gave me joy. So I'm doing it again. So anyway, I will see you all later. And thank you so much. And stay safe, everybody.